Hello again mga ka-friendship! Welcome back! And sa inyong mga bago, welcome din sa aking channel. Please do subscribe for good. And huwag kalimutan na pindutin yung bell button para lagi kayong updated kapag may bago akong video. And ngayong araw na to, nag-crave ako ng puto de leche. So, yung video natin ngayon would be how to make puto de leche. Tuturo ko sa inyo paano gumawa ng puto de leche without using condensada or condensed milk dahil wala ako noon. So, ang gagamitin ko is yung 0% na yogurt and powdered sugar and egg yolks. Tara na guys, samahan niyo akong gumawa ng puto de leche. Okay mga ka-friendship, so ito lahat yung ingredients na kakailanganin natin sa paggawa ng puto de leche. Para sa ating flan, ang mga ingredients is etong 2 tablespoons of sugar, 6 egg yolks, 100 grams na powdered sugar, 1 cup na 0% na yogurt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. At ito naman yung mga ingredients para sa ating puto. 2 cups flour, 1/2 cup milk, 50 grams melted butter, 1/2 cup white sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay, so una natin gagawin is to separate our egg yolks and egg whites. And you have to be really careful in separating the egg yolks and egg whites. Kailangan walang egg yolks na mapapahalo sa ating egg whites. Okay, now ready na tayo na gawin yung ating meringue. So, i-on na natin yung ating mixer and we'll let it foam bago natin ilagay yung ating sugar. Okay, so we're done with our meringue. So, we'll set it aside and gagawin naman natin yung ating egg yolk mixture. Okay, a teaspoon of vanilla essence with our egg yolks and using a mechanical egg beater, yun ang gagamitin natin in mixing our egg yolks hanggang ma-achieve natin yung smooth consistency. And then, i-add na natin yung ating yogurt, combining it very well with the egg yolks. Now, time to add the powdered sugar. Haluing mabuti and then set aside. And gagawin naman natin yung ating puto butter mixture. Okay, so una guys, i-sieve natin lahat ng ating dry ingredients, flour, baking powder, and sugar. Sunod nating ihalo yung ating wet ingredients, 50 grams melted butter, and yung ating milk. This time mga ka-friendship, combine natin yung ating meringue and yung ating puto butter mixture. Okay, after mixing this, we'll set it aside and i-caramelize naman natin ngayon yung ating white sugar para sa ating flan. After 20 minutes at luto na yung ating flan, we'll take it out from the oven and i-pour natin yung ating puto butter. Guys, after 2 hours, meron na tayong puto de leche. Sarap! Bango pa. Meron din tayong puto. Yan. Ito yung walang leche flan.